Welcome students to my channel. In today's video, we will learn how to subtract two matrices. Like the addition, here also we have the same condition that the matrices or the two matrices must be of same order. So if we have two matrices A and B, then these two matrices must be of same order. This is the condition. If this condition is satisfied by the two matrices, then only we can proceed for the subtraction. So let us suppose we have two matrices. One is matrix A that has the element A11, A12, A21 and A22, and we have another matrix B that has the element B11, B12, B21 and B22, and we want to find the difference between them, that is A minus B. So we have to check the condition here. Both the matrices is of order 2 by 2. So they are of the same order. Hence, we can apply the subtraction operation on these two matrices. So while performing subtraction, we have to find the element-wise difference of these two matrices. So what is the first element of the matrix A, that is A11? Now what is its corresponding element of matrix B, that is B11? So we have to subtract B11 from A11. So like this, we have to perform the element wise subtraction for each of the elements of A and B. Similarly, here it will be A12 minus B12. Here it is A21 minus B21. Here it will be A22 minus B22. So this is how we have to perform the subtraction on two matrices. Now here we have another example of two 3 cross 3 matrices. Here both the matrices is of order 3 cross 3. Hence we can apply the subtraction operation on these two matrices. Now see, in the second line we have performed the element wise differences. 0 minus 5. These are the corresponding elements at the 1 1 position. Then 2 minus 1. Then 5 minus minus 2. Here the corresponding element of 5 is minus 2. Hence we have to write it like this way: 5 minus minus 2. Now like this we have written all the corresponding elements and found their differences. Now, this is the resultant matrix or the required answer of the difference between the two matrices. So this has the element minus 5, 1, 7, 0, 2, 7, 3, 2, 6. So this is how we have to perform subtraction on two different matrices. So that's it all for today. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do like, comment and subscribe my channel. Thank you. See you in the next one.